today's matchup is Huggy Wuggy with Kissy Missy, a very loyal fan, supporter and friend. Hey Kissy Missy. Okay, Huggy Wuggy. Huggy Wuggy has just told me he can fix anything. Because I told him I want to have a look at my washing machine to see if I can clean the filter. That's the washing machine. Every washing machine has a filter in it. It stops it from breaking down. So Huggy Wuggy told me, hey, what if I don't fight someone today and I fix your washing machine instead, so I get a day off? I said, okay Huggy Wuggy, let's see if you can actually clean my filter. So what we want to do, Huggy Wuggy, if you can, take that bottom off of the washing machine right here. That's it. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing, folks. Huggy Wuggy told me he can fix it, so I'm gonna let him try and fix it. He's took the bottom off. It just clips on and off, nothing too complicated. So that's the filter. Huggy Wuggy told me that's where the filter is. All you need to do is turn that anti-clockwise, Huggy Wuggy said. Now anti-clockwise means turn it that way. So I'm going to do that, or Huggy Wuggy's going to do that, and see if any rubbish comes out. Huggy Wuggy's got a grip of it, so have I. Huggy Wuggy just a little bit stronger than me. What I'm going to do is Huggy Wuggy told me to put a towel down here in case the floor gets all wet. So Huggy Wuggy, you want to open that for me? Okay, we're just going to go for it. Okay, let's see what we have. Let's see what comes out of here. Anything? Huggy Wuggy, I maybe need a hand here. This is a little bit... That's a relatively clean filter, Huggy Wuggy. Turn the light on. Can we see in there? Can we see inside that filter? It's relatively clean. Kissy Missy, what do you think? Kissy Missy just having a look inside the filter. Yeah, she seems to think it's okay, but Huggy Wuggy has told me to just give it a wipe inside. Just a little wipe, just to make sure it's all, any rubbish in there all comes out. Seems okay. Wipe the filter itself, just to make sure that's all clean. Now what do you think of that, Huggy Wuggy? You've done a good job, to be honest. It's nice and clean, very clean, brand new even. Now folks, every household should have a washing machine, and if your washing machine gets grubby, gets dirty, gets stuck, maybe Huggy Wuggy can fix yours as well. You just have to ask him nice. So Huggy Wuggy is happy with how clean the filter is. Okay, Huggy Wuggy, you're going to put it back on for me. He's putting it back on. Now to tighten it, you tighten clockwise, which is this way. Tighten it, tighten it, tighten it, tighten it right up so water doesn't leak out of it. Is that tight, Huggy Wuggy? Okay. Okay, that seems nice and tight. I'll double check it. Always double check it to make sure. Yep, that's okay. Very happy with that. And what I'm going to do is just give this a general tidy up. Make sure it's clean. And that'll be that, folks. That's how Kissy Missy Huggy Wuggy fixes your washing machine. So if you ever have a problem with your washing machine, always look at the filter, because that could be a problem. I know you didn't fight anybody today, Huggy Wuggy, but you done me a good service. You fixed my washing machine. Thank you, Huggy Wuggy. Thanks for coming along, Kissy Missy. Until next time, subscribe, like, subscribe, like, subscribe, like.